What is up, TMOD squad? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another baking video. Today we are going to make banana pudding, and this is just my version of banana pudding. This is not Nana's banana pudding or grandma's banana pudding. This is 12 months of Destiny's banana pudding. So I'm just gonna go over the ingredients that you're going to need to make this. You're going to need bananas. Bam. I dislike when you make banana pudding, how quickly the bananas go bad. So if you've ever made banana pudding before, or if you've ever had banana pudding, literally you have to eat it like within the first 2 days because the bananas get really soggy and brown. So, dun dun dun, what I like to do is I don't buy my bananas completely yellow. I don't want them to be completely ready because I don't want the bananas to turn brown so quickly. So what I do is I buy them a little greenish, yellowish. So the banana pudding that I'm making, it's going to be for a group of people. My friend, hi Nellen and Ashna and Noelle, LOL. And basically like everybody is bringing something, right? So I decided to bring a dessert and I'm bringing banana pudding. So next you're going to need Jello. So this is vanilla flavored Jello. And also you're going to need banana cream flavored Jello. So for my version, I like to have vanilla and banana cream. So usually the classic cookie that you use in banana pudding are these Nilla wafers, and they taste so good. So I didn't completely get rid of the Nilla wafers, but I do use 2 types of cookies. Wow. 1 box of these. Now, this is where we're really about to elevate. We're about to elevate the banana pudding, okay? This is what I like to call new school banana pudding. So, babao, we have some Chessman butter cookies. These Chessman butter cookies are so good. Let me know down below in the comments if you've ever had these Chessman butter cookies and if you've ever had these Nilla cookies, and let me know, be honest, which one, you have to pick one, you have to pick which one is better. They're both good, but which one is better? But anyways, so I got 2 packs of these, ta-da, and because it's springtime, they're so cute. They have like flowers on them, and there's like a sun, so that's really adorable. And on the back of the box, or on the back of the cookie packaging, there's actually a recipe for banana pudding, so that's so funny. 'Tis the season, right? So next what you're going to need is Cool Whip. So this is what it looks like, ta-da. It comes in a tube, and all these ingredients that I got, honestly, I got them from some random grocery store. Usually I get all of my ingredients from Walmart, but you know, I'm in New York City. There's not a Walmart near, you know, so I just went to any local grocery store. I don't even know the name. I just walked in and I was like, I need this, I need that, and I need this. But yeah, so Cool Whip. So when you make your Jello, it only requires 1 ingredient, and that's milk, which is very nice. It doesn't matter what kind, soy, almonds, whole milk, you know, just don't use like chocolate milk or strawberry milk or anything like that. Oh, well, of course it has to be regular white milk. You're going to need a bowls. I have 2 bowls to mix everything in. I have this bowl, and I also have this bowl. Then you're going to need a knife, of course, to chop up the bananas. So this is the pan that I'm going to put the banana pudding in, and you can see how deep it is. So it's not super deep. Now, because I'm making this for a small group of people, I didn't want to do the most, y'all. Usually, I like to get like a super deep dish from Walmart, the aluminum foil from Walmart, and I think it's like $1.43. I just love like the deep dishes. I feel like using a deep dish to make banana pudding is a must because you want to scoop it out with a spoon. This isn't something that you're going to cut with a knife. No, you want to get a nice scoop, put it on a plate, and you know, delicioso, okay? And it came with these cool little tops, which I like that it came with this top because I don't want to smush. Like you're gonna see when we get to the top, I'm gonna make it look very cute and festive in springtime. So I don't want to mess up the vibe of the banana pudding, right? Because you know, as good as it's going to taste, it's going to look, right? It's gonna catch you with the look, and then you're gonna eat it and you're gonna be like, whoa, this tastes amazing. So first what I have to do is prep everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up all the bananas, not all of them, but I'm gonna cut up bananas. I'm going to make the Jello packets, mix the Cool Whip, you know, do everything I gotta do, little razzle, little dazzle, and then I'm gonna start to put it together. But it's always important to just prep everything out. In my opinion, if you try to do each step like, oh, I need this, I'm gonna make it really fast and then add it, it's time consuming. So what you wanna do is just get everything together, whip it together, so all you gotta do is put it together, right? So you're gonna make sure that you have washed your hands, right? So make sure you've washed your hands. So I'm going to take the banana cream Jello and pour this whole packet into this bowl. So basically you need 2 cups of cold milk, and this is called 5-minute pudding because it takes 5 minutes to literally make this pudding. So you only need milk. You're gonna just stir it until it looks like pudding, and it should make about 4.5 servings. Okay, so add in your milk, mix it together, mix, 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 mix. Okay, so we have some pudding. I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes before I add the Cool Whip. So I have my bowl of milk and I'm going to add in the vanilla Jello. It smells really good. So I'm just gonna whisk it. While that's sitting, I'm gonna bring back the other pudding. And you can see it's completely thick now. It's like pudding. This should be the consistency. Ta-da! Cool Whip. Now you're gonna get your bowl that has the banana cream in it, and you're going to dump in the Cool Whip. It tastes so good. I could probably eat this whole thing by myself, honestly. Ta-da! So now we're gonna mix this up. Mix, 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 mix. Okay. So I just opened up another box of banana cream Jello. This is our vanilla Jello. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of that banana cream to the vanilla. Trust me, trust the process, going to taste amazing. We're gonna put both of these to the side, okay? Here's a little fun thing. If you don't know how to open a banana, you do not open the banana from this end. Open it from this end, okay? So what you're gonna do from this end, you're just gonna pinch it. So once you pinch the tip of the banana, you're gonna go ahead and just peel it back. This is the easiest way to peel a banana, in my opinion. So if you've never heard of this before, LOL, if you've never seen this done, ta-da, you just learned something new. You're going to pinch, you're going to peel. Ta-da! Okay, y'all, so I have 3 bananas, and this is how I'm going to chop them up. Now, the reason I chop up my bananas super thin is because I don't really like bananas. And something that would always, in my opinion, that would be really annoying is when I would eat somebody's banana pudding and their bananas are super thick. Like, why are your bananas super thick? But I like to do them very thin. So I think actually I'm going to need more bananas. Boop, 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 boop. So I just rinsed out my pan. I'm gonna add some of that to the pan. Okay, I'm just gonna spread that around. Well, actually, I can add a little bit more. And I'm just gonna dump that in there and just mix it in. Trust me, y'all, this is going to be delicious. Sprinkle in some bananas. Ooh. Now we are going to add a layer of vanilla cookies. We're going to take the Cool Whip and the banana cream jello that we mixed together, and we're gonna add a layer of that. So now for the next layer, now we're going to do another layer of bananas, which gives it that banana. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of the Nilla wafers and put them on a plate, and I'm going to crunch them up. I have some tiny pieces, some big pieces. So I would say leave a variety so that way there's like this cool crunch. And you're gonna go ahead and top that. Some of that Cool Whip. Now I'm going to take the Chessmen butter cookies, and this is more so for decoration. This is what the banana pudding looks like. This is what success looks like. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like, okay? It looks so good. Okay, everyone, so now that everything is layered and together, you can go ahead and refrigerate overnight. It is currently 10 at night and the event starts at 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge and take it out of the fridge, I will say around 3, and then I have to drive there, etc. But it came out so good. Did y'all see that masterpiece? Did y'all see how it looked? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some people to taste it. I'm gonna get some people to rate it. So be right back.
Ooh, this is looking healthy.
I'm weak. Okay, wait, at the same time? Wait. Okay.
10 out of 10.
What's your rate?
A 10.
A 10.
And it was so cute. Like, it had cute little, like, decorations on it, but it does taste really good. Like, you did a really good job.
So what do you rate it?
10 out of fucking 10.